Okay, first we're going to cut 32 ounces or 2 pounds of chicken. Now that all our chicken is chopped up, we need to add it to the marinade. Okay, let's measure out 1 cup of yogurt. Alright, now that we have measured out 1 cup of full fat yogurt, we can add it to the bowl. Add 1/2 tablespoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, add a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, add 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala, add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, now stir up the marinade. Once we have all these spices mixed in, we can add our chicken. Okay, let's add in our chicken. Alright, now let's mix our chicken and our marinade. Now that we have our chicken and our marinade all mixed together real well, we can cover this and put it in the fridge. We'll put it in the fridge for an hour. You can also leave it in the fridge overnight. It will marinate even better. Just put the cover on there. Let's add 2 tablespoons of oil to our pan. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil that you like. Now let's add our marinated chicken to the pan. Now we got the oil nice and hot. We're going to cook the chicken for 3 minutes on both sides. You can add a little more oil if you need to coat all the chicken. And now that we've cooked the chicken on one side, we can flip it over. Okay, now that we have our chicken flipped over, we're going to let that cook for another 3 minutes. Okay, now that we've cooked the chicken for 3 minutes on the other side, we can remove it from the pan. Now that we've removed the chicken from the pan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 chopped onions to the pan. We're going to fry our onions till they're golden brown. Now that our onions are nice and brown, add a 1/2 tablespoon of ginger, add a 1/2 tablespoon of garlic. Just saute the ginger and the garlic for about a minute. Next up, we're going to add 2 cups or 16 ounces of ground peeled tomatoes. Okay, let's add our spices. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Okay, let's mix that in real nice. Okay, we're going to turn the heat to medium-low. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Leave the tomatoes cooking until they become a paste. Add 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir that around a bit. Okay, let's add our chicken back into there. Mix our chicken around a bit into the sauce. Alright, now that we have our chicken mixed in there, we're going to let this cook for 15 minutes. Or until you're sure that the chicken is cooked.
If you liked this video, please give it a like and a comment below. Thank you for watching.